Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be working on the cursive S. This is the manuscript S, and this is the cursive S. To make a cursive S, you're going to start at the bottom line with your undercurve stroke. Go up, make it pointed right there and come back down, close it up, and then bring back out your undercurve stroke, okay? So, watch me as I do it. Undercurve up, curve it down, close it up, undercurve back up, undercurve up, curve it down, undercurve back up, curve it up, undercurve down, curve it up. Okay, I would like you to pause this video, and I want you to finish out these S's, and then I want you to come down here and trace the S's and write the S's. Okay, hopefully you've gotten all of those done. This says a slippery surprise. Notice how these words begin with S, and here's also another S that has a letter connected to it and then one after it. Okay, so we're going to come down here and we're going to join the S and some other letters down here. This is the letter S and E. I'm going to go up, curve down, come back, loop back, come around and put my undercurve stroke on the end of it. Okay, now you make the S-E. S, go up, loop back, come down and around. Okay, very good. Now watch me make the S and the K. Now the K is a little tricky. You have to loop back, come down, go back up to the dotted line and curve around like that and come down. Okay? So you try it on this line. All right. Now we're going to make an S and an L. We're going to go up, come down, go back up, loop back, and then put your undercurve stroke on it. Okay, now we're going to do an S and a W. S and W. And don't forget your check stroke right there. So we have S and W. Okay, here we have S, S. Okay, and then we have an S and a T. Pick up my pencil, cross my T. Now you make the S, T. All right, now we're going to make some, we're going to write some words right here. Okay, this first word right here is sweet. S-W-E-E-T. S, W, check stroke into my E. Then you're going to make another E, and then you're going to make a T. You pick up your pencil and you cross it. Now you try it. Okay, our next word is skis. S-K-I-S. Skis. Okay, so you make your S, and then you're going to go into your K and loop back, go up, curve it around, come down, I-S. Pick up your pencil and dot your I. Now you try that. Okay, our next word is bus. B-U-S. I'm going to make my B, loop back, go up, check stroke over into your U. Okay, and then you make your S. Okay, now you try it. And then our last word is wrist. Okay, this is W, R, I, S, T. Pick up your pencil, dot your I, and cross your T. Now remember, when you're writing the W and you do your check stroke, you go up and make your R just like that. You don't have to come all the way back down to the line before you go into your R, because that is what your check stroke is for. Okay, now it says circle your best short letter. So I want you to pick out your favorite short letter that you have up there and circle it. Okay, and there you have the cursive S. Don't forget to attach a picture to Google Classroom.